Welcome back to another episode of Miss Marissa Moments. Today we're going to try an interesting recipe, Zucchini Cornbread.
Hey you, that's right, I'm talking to you. It's time to watch our favorite girl and teach us something new. We're making crafts, we're playing games, we're going for a ride. You can find us having fun on every Sunday night. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments. It's time for Miss Marissa Moments.
We need a bowl. We need zucchini. We need cornbread. We need cheese and a little mixture and some eggs. Now we're going to wash them and shred it, and we need 2 cups. Now I got them washed and ready to go, so they're ready to be chopped up. We're going to put it in the strainer. We're going to put 1 teaspoon of salt. The salt helps with the moisture to come out, and we're going to let it sit for 20 minutes. We need to turn on the oven for 350 degrees. Now we're going to dump our zucchini out and squish out all the water out. See all the water I'm getting out? I have my zucchini in the bowl. Now I'm going to do 1/2 cup of cheese. We're going to put 2 eggs. Now we gotta stir it all up. Stir it up pretty good. Now we're gonna add our cornbread to it. Now we're gonna stir it up again. Now we're going to sprinkle some parsley in it. Now stir it back up again. Now it's time to spray our pan. Now we spray our pan down and wipe it down with a nice paper towel and get in the corners. Now we are ready to put it in. Now we're going to sprinkle some cheese on top. Okay, now we're going to put this in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. Now, I got my zucchini and cornbread out of the oven. It didn't look too bad. I don't like cornbread, so my family is going to try it. I hope you enjoyed my cooking segments on Miss Marissa Moments. See you next time on Miss Marissa Moments.